What does DealerKnows do? DealerKnows improves the way dealerships and businesses operate online, on the phone, and in the showroom. How do we do that? First and foremost, we're process trainers, enhancing how your team communicates with customers. We transform communication and performance through training, consulting, and accountability. We also provide email templates, text templates, video guides, phone scripts, and workflow processes, working with your CRM to implement them all. From people with proven track records in retail ourselves, we've literally created and championed tactics and strategies considered best practices today. We teach dealerships how to get the most from their current technology or fully integrate new technology. DealerKnows has served clients throughout North America and instill progressive methodologies that will have you reaching new heights. We deliver this through 5 methods: in-store training on site, virtual dealer training, which is our peer-to-peer weekly live video conference calls that we have perfected over the last decade. Task Teacher, our proprietary accountability service and software where we grade how well your sales team handles internet, phone, and follow-up processes. PriceMatrix, our competitive mystery shopping program, so you know how the dealers around you are pricing their popular models. And lastly, Consulting, where we analyze marketing expenditures and vendor data to ensure you are dedicating your dollars to the right providers. In the end, DealerKnows believes the key to profitability is creating good habits, and that is what is required to deliver a rewarding customer experience. Contact us at DealerKnows.com.